Good afternoon, all of you. As we have been started with the new chapter and we discussed about the financial market in India, and we also started with the topic called the capital markets in India. The topic for today is role and importance of capital market. That is a 10 to 15 marks question. Let us go through the topic. The role and importance of capital market. Kindly copy this to your notes. These are the short points of role of capital market. Role of capital market. There are various roles which are being played by the capital market. The first and foremost role which is being played by the capital market is provides opportunities for different institutions. As a capital market, it provides opportunities for different institutions such as commercial banks, mutual funds, investment trusts, etc. to earn good return on investing funds. As we discussed in the capital market can also be called as a stock market. Here, when you talk about the stock market provides opportunities for individual as well as the institutional investor. Institutions refers to banks, mutual fund companies, investment trusts, etc. Also get an opportunity to invest in capital market. That is what the stock market. When they invest in capital market, when there is a boom in the capital market, when the Sensex is high, or when all the companies are doing very well, these institutions earn lots of profits, earn lots of revenue from the capital market. That is what it provides an opportunity for different institutions. The next point is barometer of economy. As you all know, barometer refers to it is an instrument which is telling you the temperature of the environment. So here, as a barometer, capital market acts as a barometer of economy which into hot and cold as a barometer does. As we all in a common language we tell, when there is a business high, we tell that hot. The business is very cold, or business is very, it is running slow. That is what similarly the barometer does, the capital market also does. Next is funds raised. It helps the business community to raise funds from large and small investors. As in stock market, there are both individual as well as institutional investors. A small investor can also invest in the capital market, and the large investor also can invest in the capital market. Next is it provides opportunity to public to invest. A capital market provides opportunities for the public to invest their savings in attractive securities which provide them high return and income, like mutual funds or any shares which are being having high profitable shares, where the common public can also invest and take an opportunity. The next is developed capital market. A well developed capital market is capable of attracting funds even from foreign countries. Thus, capital flows in the countries from foreign investments, which provides an opportunity to capital market. The capital market the capital market attracts funds from foreign countries, like foreign investments are done with the help of foreign direct investors or foreign institutional investors who take an opportunity to invest in the capital market or the share market, which helps for the development of that capital market. Next, provides an opportunity for the investing in public. It is an opportunity for public to know the trend of different securities and the conditions prevailing in the economy, as capital market provides investors investing and the trends, the ups and downs, which also makes or guides the people who wants to invest in the capital market. Next, it enables the country to achieve economic growth, as a capital market helps in capital formation. Capital formation refers to the companies which are needed for the capital. There is a requirement of capital. By with the help of capital market, these companies are being formed with the capital, which promotes the industrial development country, and it also helps in achieving economic growth. What are the importance of capital market? It helps in mobilizing savings in large scale. When you talk about mobilizing refers to the transfer of savings. Just take an example. You are going and investing in mutual fund. Those money you are saving, but that money is being utilized by a industry or a company which with a company for a large scale doing business. That is what the transfer of money happens for the large scale businesses. Next is it helps in capital formation in the country, like the companies whenever they require to have the capital for their businesses. What do is they come to capital market or the stock market, where they generate capital for their business. Next, it helps in effective distribution of mobilized funds for balanced economic development. So here, these mobilized funds or the money which is being taken from the people, that is the companies whomsoever are required, and each and every sector will be distributed, and there is a balanced economic growth, and it helps in balanced development of the economy. The last is it provides continuous market. It provides continuous market for long term funds. So as a capital market, it is been continuously been running, where the long term funds are being generated. See, you can take an example, like there is a lockdown being happened, but then also the stock market is been running, because this is what this market cannot be stopped. If the stock market gets stops, the economy gets stops. So as it is a continuous market for long term funds. So this is what the role of capital market, role and importance of capital market. This is a 10 to 15 marks question. Fine then, thanks a lot.